Lily, have you seen my phone?
I'm cooking right now. Why are you asking me?
I can't find it anywhere.
You always lose your things.
I checked the bedroom already.
Then check properly next time.
I also checked the living room.
And still nothing?
No, that's why I'm asking you.
Then maybe think before asking me.
I'm serious. I really need it.
I'm serious too. I'm cooking.
Maybe I left it in the kitchen.
This is not your phone shop.
Just help me for a second.
I am busy, can't you see?
I can see, but I'm stressed.
And I'm busy cooking.
Why are you so angry today?
Because you always disturb me.
I only asked one question.
One question becomes 10.
That's not fair.
Really? You always do this.
I think it's on the table.
Then go check again.
I already checked it twice.
Then check a third time.
Why are you talking like this?
Because I'm tired.
You don't have to be rude.
And you don't have to lose things every day.
Fine, I'll find it alone.
Good. Finally, peace.
Maybe it's in the car.
Then go check it.
It's too hot outside.
Then stop complaining.
You're not helping me at all.
I'm helping the food, not you.
Oh, that hurts.
I don't have time for drama.
I just need a little help.
Help yourself first.
Fine, I'll search alone.
Good idea.
Wait, maybe it's in my bag.
Check properly then.
No, it's not there.
Fine, then think again.
Why are you so strict today?
Because you are distracting me.
I only ask for help.
And I already answered.
I feel like giving up.
Finally, some peace.
But wait, I need to ask something else.
What now?
Let's go shopping today.
Shopping? Really?
You said you wanted new dresses.
Oh, yes, I did.
So, are you still angry?
Maybe a little.
We can go after lunch.
That sounds nice, actually.
So, are we okay now?
Yes, shopping fixed it.
Hello, welcome to our store.
Hi, I'm looking for a dress.
Sure, for a party or daily wear.
Something simple but elegant.
Do you prefer long or short dresses?
Maybe long dresses.
What colors do you like?
Soft colors mostly.
Then this pink dress might suit you.
Oh, it looks really nice.
It's one of our best sellers.
The fabric feels soft.
Yes, it's very comfortable.
But I also like that blue dress.
The blue one is more elegant.
Confused.
You can try both.
Good idea.
Let's see the pink one first.
Okay, I'll try it.
Interested. How does it feel? Pleased. It feels very comfortable. Complaining. It suits your skin tone.
Really?
Yes, it looks great.
But it feels a bit simple.
Then try the blue one.
Okay, I will.
Waiting eagerly. How is it now?
Amazed. Wow, this looks stylish.
Agreeing. It suits you very well.
Torn. I like both, honestly.
Kind. Let me help you decide.
Helpless. Please, I'm confused.
Revealing a secret. Pink is cheaper today.
How much is blue?
Blue has a higher discount.
Now it's even harder.
Choose what makes you happy.
Then I choose the blue one.
Approving. Good choice.
Thank you for your help.
Welcome. How can I help you?
I need a bouquet.
For a special occasion?
Yes, my friend is coming today.
That's lovely.
I want to welcome her warmly.
Roses are a great choice.
Do you have mixed bouquets?
Yes, we do.
Can you show me?
Here is one with roses and lilies.
It looks beautiful.
It's very popular.
I like the colors.
It feels warm and welcoming.
That's exactly what I want.
Medium or large size?
Medium, please.
Would you like a card?
Yes, please.
What message?
Welcome to our home. Perfect choice. Thank you.
I'm finally here.
I missed you so much.
The journey was very long.
You must be tired.
Yes, a little exhausted.
Come inside quickly.
Your home feels so warm.
I wanted you to feel comfortable.
I really needed this break.
You came at the right time.
How was Mike?
He will be back soon.
Excited to see him.
He missed you too.
That makes me happy.
Let's relax first.
Yes, I feel safe here.
You are always welcome.
Maya, you're here already.
Yes, surprise!
I didn't expect you so soon.
The journey was faster than I thought.
I brought something for you.
What is it?
Flowers for you.
Oh, wow, that's so sweet.
Welcome to our home.
I already feel welcome.
You look a bit tired.
Yes, the travel was long.
Sit down and relax.
Thank you. I needed that.
Did Lily take care of you?
Yes, she's amazing.
She always is.
The house feels so peaceful.
That's Lily's magic.
I can see that.
Are you hungry?
A little, yes.
She prepared food for you.
That's very kind.
You should rest first.
I think I will.
We have a lot planned.
That sounds exciting.
Dinner, city tour, everything.
I'm looking forward to it.
You'll enjoy your stay here.
I already am.
Let's go inside.
This feels like home.
Hi, are you ready for practice?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
That's normal.
I still make mistakes.
Mistakes help you improve.
I agree.
Let's start simple.
Okay, I'm ready.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
Nice. I'm from London.
Your accent is very clear.
Thank you.
I want to improve mine.
You already are.
That makes me happy.
How long have you studied English?
About 4 months.
That's impressive.
I practice every day.
That's the key.
I also watch videos.
Good habit.
I demonstrate.
I repeat sentences too.
That's called shadowing.
Yes, it helps me a lot.
Do you feel confident?
A little more now.
Good progress.
But I still feel shy.
That's normal.
Really?
Even I felt shy before.
That helps me relax.
Let's practice together more.
I would like that.
We can meet daily.
That sounds great.
Try speaking with strangers next.
That sounds scary.
But very effective.
To demonstrate,
I will try.
let's do a small test.
Okay, I'm ready.
How do you feel right now?
I feel much more confident today.
That is a very big change.
I am not scared of English anymore.
You improved a lot during our lesson.
I can really feel the difference too.
What specific thing helped you the most?
The speaking practice was the most helpful.
And did the repetition help you?
Yes, the shadowing method helped me immensely.
Approving. That is a very good learning method.
I truly want to continue practicing English.
You absolutely should keep moving forward.
I promise that I will not stop.
Your next major step is achieving fluency.
I want that goal very badly now.
You are definitely on the right path.
Thank you so much for helping me.
You did all the hard work today.
Today was very important for my future.
Winking, cheerful. Remember, this is just the wonderful beginning.
I am so excited for more lessons.
Reminding her, make sure to keep practicing every single day.
Do not worry, I will practice daily.
Inspiring, always try to speak without any fear.
I will always try my absolute best.
That is honestly all you need to do.
Standing tall, I feel completely ready for the future.
You did a wonderful job today, Emma.
Beaming with pride, I am honestly very proud of myself.
You really should be proud of yourself.
Sweetly, thank you so much for your kind words.
I will see you at the next session.
Yes, I will see you very soon.
Friendly reminder, do not forget to watch English videos tonight.
I will watch them with English subtitles.
Thumbs up. That is another excellent way to learn.
Cheerfully. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you, and enjoy your evening too. Anna, where is my favorite alarm clock?
You always lose everything, quite honestly.
I really need it right now, Anna.
Check your messy bedside table again.
I already checked it twice today.
Then check it a third time, Chris.
You're not helping me at all.
I am making breakfast right now.
I am late for my meeting today.
Then stop wasting time talking here.
Maybe I left it in the bathroom.
Go check there immediately then.
Why are you always so rude?
Because you never listen properly.
I just need some simple help.
Help yourself first before asking me.
Fine, I will search alone now.
That is actually a better idea.
I feel really stressed today.
Stress comes from your own carelessness.
That is not fair to say.
Reality is always uncomfortable sometimes.
I think it is under my pillow.
Then go and check quickly.
Wait, maybe I saw it yesterday.
Your memory is really bad, Chris.
Stop insulting me every morning.
Stop losing things every single morning.
Okay, I will check the car.
Finally, you're taking useful action.
It's too cold outside today.
Then hurry up and return fast.
You never support me properly.
I support results, not excuses.
Fine, I'm going outside now.
Good luck finding your clock.
It's absolutely freezing outside today.
Did you find the clock?
No, the car was completely empty.
This is becoming a big disaster.
Can you please check your bag?
Why should I check my bag?
Maybe I put it there yesterday.
Opening her bag and grumbling, this is a waste of time.
Do you see anything inside?
Oh my goodness, it's here.
I knew I was not crazy.
Embarrassed, blushing. Why did you put it here?
Smiling, teasing. You hid it from me, Anna.
Apologetic, softly. I am very sorry for yelling.
Friendly. That's okay. I forgive you.
Smiling kindly. Let me make you some hot coffee.
Happy. That sounds wonderful right now.
Helpful. Drink fast or you'll be late.
I have plenty of time now.
Just don't lose the clock again.
Sophie, have you seen my leather wallet?
Not again. You always lose everything.
I really need it urgently today, Sophie.
When did you last see it?
I think it was yesterday evening.
That is not very helpful, honestly.
Please help me find it quickly.
Check your jacket pockets first, David.
I already checked them all completely.
Then check your car once again.
I did that twice already today.
Then maybe you dropped it somewhere outside.
I'm really getting nervous right now.
Panicking will not help you find it.
I have important documents inside it.
That sounds much more serious now.
Yes, I need it urgently, Sophie.
Think calmly and remember carefully, please.
I walked directly from the parking lot.
Maybe it fell on the cold ground.
I should go check outside immediately.
Yes, go immediately and look carefully.
What if someone took it already?
Do not assume the worst-case scenario yet.
I'm really stressed right now.
Stay calm and breathe very slowly.
Wait, I feel something in my pocket.
Seriously, check properly this time, David.
Oh my God, I found it.
You always panic for absolutely nothing.
I swear I checked earlier, Sophie.
You clearly did not check very well.
Still, thank you for helping me out.
Next time, be much more careful, okay?
I will try my absolute best.
That would be wonderful, honestly.
My heart is finally beating normally again.
Are all your important documents safe?
Let me look inside the pockets.
Waiting patiently. Is your driver's license still there?
Yes, my license is perfectly fine.
What about your credit cards, David?
I'm counting cards. Both credit cards are safe inside.
That is a big relief then.
I was so terrified for a moment.
You need a louder wallet next time.
Maybe I can buy a bright red wallet.
Yes, red is very easy to see.
You are a wonderful friend, Sophie.
I'm always happy to help you.
Let me buy you lunch today, okay?
That sounds like a fantastic idea.
We can go to the new Italian cafe.
I love their pizza very much.
Just make sure I don't lose my wallet again.
Hello, Maria. Are you ready to paint today?
Yes, but I am quite nervous about it.
Do not worry. Just paint very slowly, Maria.
I always make bad mistakes with my brush.
Making mistakes is how we learn new skills.
That beautiful thought makes me feel much better.
Let us start with some very bright colors.
Okay, I am completely ready now, Tom.
What do you want to draw first?
I want to paint a big yellow sun.
That is nice. I love bright summer days.
Your artwork always looks so realistic and neat.
Thank you, but your art is getting better.
I practice drawing pictures every single weekend.
Consistent practice is the secret to great success.
I also read many creative books about art.
That is an excellent way to get ideas.
I often copy famous paintings at home alone.
That classic style of learning is very smart.
Yes, it truly helps my artistic technique change.
Do you feel happier with your talent today?
I feel a little more relaxed than yesterday.
That is wonderful progress for a beginner, Maria.
But I still feel scared to show people.
Every new artist feels scared in the beginning.
Really? Do professional artists feel that way too?
Yes, absolutely when they start a project.
Relieved. Hearing that makes me feel safe and calm.
Let us visit a real art gallery together.
Frightened? Gasped? A crowded gallery? That sounds very scary.
We will only look at basic art, promise.
Okay, I will try to go with you.
What object should we paint next week?
Thoughtful? I want to paint a tall green tree.
That is a wonderful goal for our class.
Smiling, I want to add some red apples too.
Adding small details is very fun for artists.
Yes, and it looks beautiful on paper.
We can buy new canvas tomorrow afternoon together.
Delighted. That sounds like a perfect plan. Thank you.
You are becoming a very creative student, Maria.
Beaming with pride, I am truly happy to hear your opinion.
Goodbye for now and enjoy your evening.
Goodbye, Tom. See you at our next class.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Did you enjoy practicing your English with us? Please subscribe to our channel for more lessons. Together, we can build your speaking confidence daily. Keep practicing and never fear making mistakes. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!